Welcome to wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi.
We have this question here. Find the sum of the roots of the quadratic equation y square plus 5y plus 6 equal to 0. We know from relationship between zeros and coefficients of a quadratic equation that sum of zeros will be equal to coefficient of y in this case divided by leading coefficient, negative of that. So in this case sum of zeros is negative of 5 divided by 1, which is minus 5. Therefore sum of zeros is minus 5. So let's look at the options. Yes, answer is option C.